your definitive source for the newest and most thrilling developments in the world of high-performance motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into the machine that continues to push the boundaries of superbike engineering, the new 2025 Aprilia RSV4. A decade and a half after its revolutionary debut, Aprilia's flagship machine proves once again that it is not content to merely compete. It is engineered to dominate. This is more than just a model year refresh. This is a comprehensive evolution, honed directly from the relentless demands of MotoGP and World Superbike competition. Settle in, because we are about to explore every monumental detail of this 220 horsepower Italian masterpiece. Aerodynamic innovation and design evolution. The most immediately striking change for the 2025 RSV4 is its aggressive and functional aerodynamic redesign. Aprilia has applied its extensive knowledge from the RSGP MotoGP prototype to sculpt new bodywork that is both visually stunning and ruthlessly efficient. The key feature is the integration of a new twin-layer winglet system, carefully positioned below the windshield. This setup increases vertical downforce, enhancing front-end grip and stability, particularly under extreme braking and high-speed cornering. Crucially, the engineers in Noale have managed to achieve this downforce boost while simultaneously reducing the drag coefficient by a claimed 6% compared to the outgoing model. This delicate balance of downforce and drag reduction is a testament to the sophistication of the wind tunnel development. Furthermore, the new bodywork incorporates new side panels that integrate more cleanly with a redesigned, minimalist tail section, which features a lighter rear light cluster designed for easy removal for track days. The overall shape also reportedly manages heat better, a welcome change aimed at minimizing heat directed toward the rider. The heart of the beast. Engine and power. At the core of the 2025 RSV4 remains the iconic 65-degree 1099cc V4 engine, a power plant renowned for its unique sound, compact size, and immense output. For the new model year, Aprilia has refined this motor to not only comply with the stringent new Euro 5+ emission standards, but to actually increase its peak performance. The engine now boasts an impressive claimed output of 220 horsepower at 13,100 RPM and 92.1 lb-ft of torque at 10,800 RPM, officially cementing its status as one of the most powerful naturally aspirated superbikes on the planet. This increase in power is achieved in part through the adoption of larger 52mm throttle bodies, a significant jump from the previous 48mm units, allowing for optimized throttle response and increased airflow. Complementing this is a new exhaust system with a repositioned catalytic converter, which aids in meeting the emissions targets, while also reducing heat transfer to the rider. The internal workings of the motor with its narrow V-angle continue to provide the perfect balance of torque, high revving power, and a concentrated mass ideal for supreme handling. Next-generation electronics total control. Aprilia has always been at the forefront of superbike electronics, and the 2025 RSV4 introduces its most advanced suite yet, a system that is both predictive and adaptive. The renowned Aprilia Performance Ride Control, or APRC, has been significantly updated. This comprehensive package includes multi-level traction control, ATC, a 3-level wheelie control, AWC, with refined predictive logic, engine brake control, AEB, and launch control, ALC. The 6-axis inertial measurement unit, IMU, processes real-time data, everything from speed and lean angle to throttle position, to precisely manage all these controls. A notable introduction is the refined slide control, ASC, which prevents and manages rear-wheel side slip with predictive strategies, offering an even higher degree of confidence and control at the limit. For the rider, the interface is completely new. A larger 5-inch TFT color display features updated, crisper graphics, a much-requested fuel level indicator, and new backlit controls on the handlebars for easier adjustments while riding. The top-spec RSV4 factory model further elevates this with the inclusion of advanced electronic accessories as standard, such as corner-by-corner suspension and engine map calibration, demonstrating a new level of integration and customization, chassis, suspension, and braking hardware. The foundation of the RSV4's legend is its highly adjustable and race-derived chassis, and for 2025, Aprilia has further fine-tuned this critical area. The twin-spar aluminum frame, a hallmark of Aprilia's racing pedigree, remains, offering the unique adjustability of the headstock position and swing arm pivot height. Subtle but important changes have been made, including a revised upper triple clamp now manufactured from lighter-weight aluminum. On the braking front, both the standard RSV4 and the factory model receive a significant upgrade with the implementation of Brembo's latest high-pure front calipers. These new calipers are noted for being lighter and offering greater efficiency than the previous Stylema units, providing unmatched stopping power and feel. Suspension-wise, the base RSV4 continues with a fully adjustable mechanical sax setup, which provides excellent performance and track day adjustability. However, the RSV4 factory, the ultimate expression of this machine, is equipped with the premium Uhlens Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system. This system is now even smarter, with a new corner-by-corner suspension function that automatically adjusts the electronic settings based on real-time data and the rider's preset parameters, offering a near-perfect balance between road compliance and track day stiffness. The evolution of a superbike icon. The history of the Aprilia RSV4 is a history of continuous evolution, each generation pushing the envelope of what a street-legal superbike can achieve. From the original 999cc V4, launched in 2009, to the 1100cc iteration that first arrived in 2019, the core philosophy has remained the same: create a pure racing machine for the road. The 2025 RSV4 is the latest and most refined expression of this philosophy. It takes the lessons learned from countless laps and championship victories, from the subtle geometry tweaks to the dramatic aerodynamic enhancements, and delivers them to the consumer. This bike is not just about raw horsepower. It's about the holistic package, the handling precision of the chassis, the instant controllable power of the V4, and the total confidence provided by the most advanced electronic rider aids in the segment. It is a machine that demands respect, rewards skill, and continues to redefine the superbike class. Final thoughts and conclusion. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 stands as a definitive statement from the Noal factory. It is a machine of pure, unadulterated performance, beautifully packaged in an aggressively sculpted Italian design. The subtle engine refinements, the drastic aerodynamic improvements, and the advanced, predictive electronics package all coalesce into a motorcycle that promises an even more visceral and controllable riding experience than its legendary predecessor. Whether you're a dedicated track enthusiast chasing fractions of a second or a collector seeking the pinnacle of superbike technology and heritage, the new RSV4 is poised to deliver a riding experience that is truly world-class. It's a testament to Aprilia's enduring racing spirit and their commitment to pushing the boundaries of two-wheeled performance.